Understanding the phrase, dead last, a guide for English learners. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're going to explore a common English expression that you might have heard in sports, competitions, or even in casual conversation. We're talking about the phrase, dead last. By the end of this video, you'll not only know what it means but also how to use it properly in a sentence. So, let's get started. The phrase, dead last, refers to the position of being at the very end of a sequence or competition. When someone finishes dead last, they are in the final position, behind all others. The word dead in this context is an intensifier, which means it's used to emphasize the absoluteness of the last position. It's not just last, it's unquestionably, undoubtedly last. Understanding where phrases come from can help us remember them better. The term, dead, has been used as an intensifier in English for centuries. It can mean completely or absolutely, and when paired with last, it highlights that there's no one behind. There is no room for more lastness. Now, let's see how to incorporate dead last into our everyday language. After a long race, I realized I was running dead last, but I was just happy to finish. Despite their efforts, their team came in dead last in the tournament. He started the quiz confidently, but ended up dead last in the results. It's important to note that this phrase is often used in more informal settings and is not generally considered formal English. While dead last is a useful phrase, it's also important to know when it's appropriate to use it. It is not typically used in formal writing or in serious or sensitive situations. For instance, you wouldn't want to use dead last to describe someone's performance in a professional setting where it could be seen as disrespectful or too casual. There you have it. You now know what dead last means, its origins, and how to use it in a sentence. Remember, while it's a colorful and expressive part of the English language, it's best used in informal situations. We hope you enjoyed learning about this phrase and that you'll come back for more insightful English language tips. Keep practicing, and see you in the next video.